Okay, here are the last examples for section 4. We're using the idea that, if we have a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle, the opposite angles will be congruent. And the reason for this, by the way, is, for example, if this is 80 degrees, then this arc right here, which is being intercepted by the angle, is 160. If this angle is 160, then this angle this arc has to be 200. Okay? If this arc is 200, if you notice it intercepts this angle right here, that means this angle has to be 100. So that's the long way of doing it. Again, if this is 80 degrees, then this arc RSP is 160. If this arc RSP is 160, then RQP would be 360 minus 160, which is 200. 200 here intercepts angle RSP, so if RQP is 200, then this angle is 100. An easier way to do this is to use the theorem and know that these two add up to 180. So if I want to know x, I would just do 180 minus 80, and I would get 100. If I wanted to do y, I would say these two add up to 180, so it would be 180 minus 75, and my answer would be 105. So opposite angles are supplementary. P and R added together equal 180. 75 plus y equals 180. Subtracting, we get y equals 105. Again, Q and S are equal to 180. We know that Q is 80 and S is x. So we subtract 80 from both sides. We get x equals 100. Here's another one, same type of problem. In this case, we can see that these two angles are opposite each other, so we would say 2a plus 2a equals 180, or 4a equals 180. Subtracting 4 from both sides, a is equal to, let's see, it goes in 4 times with a remainder of 2, so that would be 45. So a equals 45. To find b, we would say 4b plus 2b equals 180. That gives us 6b equal to 180. And dividing both sides by 6, we get b is equal to 30. So a equals 45, b equals 30. Again, same type of thing. Opposite angles are supplementary. We know 2a and 2a equals 180, so 4a equals 180, and a equals 45. Same kind of strategy here. 4b and 2b equals 180. 6b equals 180. So b equals 30. And here's one last one. We know that b and d are directly opposite each other, so we know x plus 82 equals 180. Of course, we could have just said that x is equal to 180 minus 82, which would be 98. Okay, and for the other one, we have y plus 68 equals 180, or you could just say y equals 180 minus 68, which gives us y equals 112. Yes. Okay. So again, y is 112, x is 98. And we've got one more, I think. Again, opposite angles are congruent, so 2c minus 6 plus c equals 180. We're going to get 3c minus 6 equals 180. Adding 6 to both sides, oops, sorry, this should be 80. I'm thinking ahead here, sorry about that, guys. 180 plus 6 is 186, and those cancel, and that's equal to 3c. Dividing both sides by 3, c is equal to 62. And over here we have 10x plus 8x is equal to 180. That gives us 18x equals 180. Dividing both sides by 18, x is equal to 10. Okay? So x is 10, and c is 62. And we're done. Thank you.